Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're continuing on with Sample Exam 1 and we are in Project 6. So as always, you can get your files on the Office Master 19 YouTube channel, and the file we're working on today is colleges.xlsx spreadsheet. So for question 1, and this is a tricky question, in cell D2, calculate the VAT amount due in column D by multiplying the VAT amount by the VAT rate, ensuring you use absolute referencing. Replicate the results down the column. Now there's a lot in that, so I just first of all want to show you how you do your normal multiplying. So I want to multiply C2, which is 2000, by G2, which is the VAT rate, and that should give me 400 or 500. So equals C2 multiplied by G2 and then press enter. So now you can see that's 400. So if I drag this down and replicate it down. Now we have a problem. We can see blanks here. So let's see why. So it's equals C3 by G3. G3 is blank, so that's not going to work. This one here is equals C4 by G4. Again, G4 is blank. So let's fix this. So just bear with me while I do that. So let's go equals C2 multiplied by $G $2 and then press enter. Okay, the reason for the dollars is they make it absolute, which means the formula will stick to referencing G2. Okay, so I'm going to drag this down by clicking on the cross in the corner and holding down my left mouse button and dragging down all the way down to D6. Okay, so now let's see, the formulas look a lot better. So here we see it's equals C3 by G2, which is what we want. Now in here it's equals C4 by G2 again, which is what we want. So basically absolute referencing ensures in the formula that you stick to the cell and it doesn't change reference as you replicate down. So that's exactly what absolute referencing is. So now the next question is, in cell B7, perform a calculation that calculates the sum of the cost price. Don't refer to cell ranges in the formula, instead use the defined name. So I just want to explain that to you. So instead of going, so we want to get the sum of cost price equals sum of C2 to C6, which is what we'd normally do. Okay, now we want to reference the cost price name, as that's what the range is called. So if we go equals sum, do our brackets, do our brackets and go to formulas, and here under the in using formula, if we type in, click on cost price and then close your bracket and press enter, you'll now see that's equals sum cost price, and that gives us the answer. And that's what the defined name is. It's just giving a name for the range C2 to C6, and we've called it cost price. Okay, so now we need to get the lowest price, which is the smallest number. So now again for the cost price column, so now we can see we have 2,000, 300, 250, 3,000. So the smallest there is going to be 250. Okay, so that should be our answer. So for smallest is equals min. Then we do our brackets, and I'm actually going to type in cost price in here, okay, and then press tab, and again it's just referring to the defined name. Okay, so we can see it's the minimum of 250. Okay, so the next question is to count the number of numbers in the cost price column. So let's have a quick look. We can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells in there. However, only 4 of them have numbers. Okay, so we should get 4. So the count function is equals count counts as numbers. So equals count C2 to C6, and then I'm going to press enter, and hey presto, we now have 4 there. So that's brilliant. And then the final function is we want to transform cell A5, which is NUIG, so it's all in uppercase or capitals, and we want to transform it into lowercase, which is small letters. Okay, so we go equals lower A5 and then press enter, and now you can see NUIG is in small letters. So that's fantastic stuff. Thanks for watching. We have now completed Sample Exam 1 Project 6, and shortly we'll be moving on to Sample Exam 1 Project 7, and that will be the last project. So as always, thanks for watching and take care.